What is going on, guys? Loony here. Welcome back to yet another video. Now in this video we are going to be making our /id command. Now this isn't actually in WorldEdit, but I thought it would be like a little cool feature. It basically, if we do /id in game, whatever block we're looking at is going to tell us the ID of that block and the byte of that block. I just thought it would be cool. So yeah, if you don't want to add this, you don't need to, but it's just one of those extra features, I guess. So I'm going to go into my POS one. I'm going to go ahead and copy all this up to implement command executor, because I am too goddamn lazy to type it out again. So that's the only reason why I'm doing this. If you want, you can go ahead and do yours the normal way. And basically, yeah, that's probably about it. This is just going to be you'll probably see me copying and pasting a lot of things because I'm too lazy to write them out again. So yeah, the /id command. So this is our command executor. This is our other class for commands. Basically, implements command executor. Allows us to do commands outside of the core class. And obviously, if sender isn't an instance of a player, return true and then tell them that they need to be a player. And then if the label or if the command is /id or /id from where you are in game, and if you have the permission mwe, obviously my worldedit.id, then yeah, that's about that. So now we need to go ahead, because player isn't null. There is like no reason to not carry on. So block B is equal to p.getTargetBlock. Now this is going to be the awkward thing, is we need to put null here because we don't have a hash set for our byte for the argument 0. And now this is the distance, like 200 blocks in front of me. It will go ahead and get the nearest block. Or you could put it to like 10 and then 10 blocks in front of you. Basically, it will only look for the 10 blocks in front of you. And that kind of makes no sense, but then in a way it does. Now this is actually a deprecation, so this will probably be removed. So that's mainly because it's a living entity, but yeah, it does currently work, but it will go one day or just get changed a little. So if we did checkColor.gray plus block ID, and then get the, well, change this to checkColor.dark gray, and then plus, and then block.getType.id. Get type, it's b.getType.id, not block.getType.id. And then if we do plus and then a colon, that then allows us to get the blocked data, which will then be like, say like think it's, oh, I know that Lapis has like 397 colon, I think it's 397, don't quote me on that, but that colon is the byte of the item that's in your hand, or the byte of the item that you're staring at. For example, Stinkley will have the byte. So yeah, so that is pretty much what we're getting with the .getByte. So gray plus, and then if we did a space and then a parentheses, or technically it's just one. So yeah. So anyway, we need to go ahead and get the type. Now that will be the material, for example, sand, clay, and stuff like that. So basically, this is just going to go ahead and send us a message if it's true. Oh, if it's basically going to send us a message about this information, and that is it really. It's kind of simple, probably easier than you thought, to be honest. And yeah, now you know how to do that. You know what you can add and stuff, I guess. I don't know, this tutorial is like really short. So yeah, obviously just go ahead and add it into plugin.yml. 1 2 3 4 /id, and then go another 2, and then description. Get the ID of your target block or something. And then obviously the usage. So yeah, obviously go make sure that you don't remove your semicolon, and then everything will work fine. Now I'm not going to go ahead and waste time in these tutorials showing you that they work, because I'm 100% certain that these work. And as you can see, these are all of our warnings to do with deprecation and stuff. If you want, you can go ahead and put suppress warnings so it's deprecated, just so that you get rid of your warnings on your classes. But I'm not going to go ahead and show you guys every episode that these work. Like anything major, I will. Like in a few episodes, or it might be next episode or the episode after. We do block generation, like placing things down or something, or something like that. And I go ahead and show you that that works, because obviously you'd have to go ahead and take my word for it. And if you have problems, then obviously you need to know what it's supposed to look like. So yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, please leave a rating, as it really does help me out. And I hope to see you next time. See you guys.